Biishopu Rwenzori ayerekera ubutashemererwa ahabwa gavumenti okongeza abakozi bamwe abandi kabareka kandi ubwe barukora umurimo gumwe nk'abashomesa ba science ekareka ba arts.
You can quote me, but I think we must have a salary regulatory authority across all professions. But the president only thinking and saying this one you give, this one you don't give is very unfair. There should be a salary regulatory authority that determines all salaries for public servants, their allowances, their entitlements, but not a single person to determine things. It's not fair. Therefore, that one takes to government. There should be a regulatory authority for all salaries, MPs, president, whoever.
Aha mukono gwegumwe abazire n'abashuru kwa twayishomereri baterire omuhwezo wa kamishona w'amashomero okunubo barukushashura hihi buri mushomesa wena kandi ubwishomero rya government bitogu yabaha amasiko
nturera rundi dusasura abasomesa bayinge muno kugira government abikosasura abo kuba rusanga government hano ngabayitize nibazana nangambira abasomesa 10 nubaga bala government payroll. On behalf of
the Ministry of Education and Sports, is that you will be seeing new teachers here on government payroll. The head teacher has been engaging me since the time we met. So you can be rest assured, our dear parents, that teachers are coming here.
We have a very big population, 1,510, and many more students are still coming from other schools, and the school has only 15 computers.
Oyiriho kuburwa computer mukuru wishomereri nagira ngo emhende y'ibyo kurya naye batire ahacoya.
Especially these days when prices of essential goods are very expensive. For example, when you look at maize grains, 1,500, a kilo of grains, beans 4,000, sugar a lot of money, soap bar 10,000. All that is very, very, very expensive.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Daniel Bingana.